Hello everyone, I am Mihir Kulkarni and we are going to see today how to download and install codeblocks IDE. IDE is Integrated Development Environment, which is used for various programming languages, uh, but we are going to use it for C and C++ programming. The important thing that you should know before downloading this codeblocks IDE is this is open source. That means it is a open source license that you are downloading. You are not required to crack, or you are not required to use the demo version of it. So let us see how can we download it and install it. So for downloading it, you have to open your browser, and from browser you have to search codeblocks. So you have to just type codeblocks and click enter in the Google. You will be getting this first search available, that is codeblocks.org. So this codeblocks.org, you have to just click on this codeblocks.org site, which is the official site of codeblocks. So just click on this codeblocks site. In this site you can see this option called as downloads. So click on this downloads. Okay, so once you click on this downloads, the first option that you could see is download the binary release. Okay, so just click on this option. Once you are into the downloading of the binary release, it will ask what kind of operating system you are working with. So whether it is a Windows, or is it a Linux, or is it a Mac. Okay, so my operating system is Windows, so I'm just clicking Windows right now. So after clicking Windows, all the setups which are available for installing for Windows are available here. Now inside which I can check, I can see that this particular setup is of 32-bit. So all the setups after this are 32-bit setups, and I'm looking for 64-bit because I'm sure that my operating system is of 64-bit. So I had to choose files between these three or five files, and I will not look for this 32-bit setup. If you are confused about what setup to get installed, you can go ahead with 32-bit. But if you are sure that your operating system is 64-bit, you can go ahead with these first five setups. Okay, but I will suggest, or I will download this fourth file, which is named as mingw. So look for mingw setup into the file name and just download this mingw setup, which is of 64-bit. For my machine it is 64-bit. So if I want to download this mingw setup, then I will just click on this particular you can say link, or I can click on the mingw setup is available for 32-bit also. So this is the mingw setup for 32-bit, so I can click here. Okay, so I have to click one of such file. So I wanted to download this mingw setup, so I can download it from both these mirrors. It could be FOSSUP or SourceForge. So I'm free to select any such mirror. So let us see. I have selected the second mirror, SourceForge. So now I will be migrated to the sourceforge.net, and from which my downloading will start. So it is showing that my downloading is starting in 1 second or 0 seconds, right? Okay, so yes, do you want to save this file? Yes, I wanted to save this file. So it is a 145 MB file, and I wanted to save this file. So I have clicked on save. So I think we are done with the download, and the download is completed. So we will just install this file. So this is the setup which is downloaded. So I will run this setup. So it will ask me for permissions. Yes, install anyway. Do you want to install? Okay, allow, install. So setup has started. You have to just click yes. Then you have to accept the license agreement. Okay. Now it is asking about what you are required to install. So this is you are installing everything, and as we have downloaded MINGW, so MINGW is the compiler. So we have downloaded this setup with the compiler. So we are installing that compiler also. So yes, next. So it is asking where you would like to install it. So this is the path. You can change this path if you want, or you can continue with the existing path, and you can click on install. Now the installation will start, and one by one the packages will be extracted and it will be installed. So we are done with the installation, and now we will see, do you want to run this code blocks now? Yes. So code blocks is opening now. I'm clicking on finish. It is asking for something else. Yes, compiler auto. Okay, it is. It has detected the GNU compiler. Okay. I will click OK. Okay, so I'm done with the installations, and now you can see that there are multiple options available. Create a new project, open a new project. There are multiple options available. We will see all these options in upcoming video, how to use it, how to start with the programming. Thank you very much.